friends, and welcome back to SS Text and Creation YouTube channel. And in this video we will see how to create our custom controller in codeigniter. Okay, in previous video we have seen how to install a codeigniter and how to run on a browser. And also have seen some structures, shown the structure of a codeigniter, and today we are showing how exactly we can create our custom controller. Now we have seen there is a default controller which is already created by the codeigniter. That was a welcome codeigniter, this was that, but now we are creating our own controller in codeigniter. Then let's begin with the video. Okay, first of all I will open the editor, and this is the Visual Studio Code, and already I have gone through our project. Our project name is my project. Okay, in that we have gone, and now first of all we have to go through the controller. I will go in application folder where we can do our coding. Here we have to controller. Yeah, you can see controller, and you can see the welcome.php for loading this view we are using, and we will just first open that first one. Okay, you can see here how exactly it is work. We are loading a view which is in view, and there is a welcome message dot in view. This is a way by using that we can load a view. Okay, we can see here is view. Inside view there is a index message.php. You can see, oh sorry, yeah, this is view. We can see this view. You can see here welcome to codeigniter. Here also you can see this is view part. Okay, this view is loaded in controller, that is called welcome.php controller. This and index function, like you know that how the constructor is called default. Okay, in a class the here view is called by default. Okay, now the question is that we how to create our custom controller. Then what exactly you have to do? I will just copy this only first. Controllers all copy, control new. I will paste this here, and I will give some another name like testing. I will just write your name as testing. CI controller is a parent controller. Okay, and what is this is not required right now. Okay, there is an index function, and this is a view, and you will just give like testing, same name we are giving. And here I have to save the control X, control S. You can see in controller folder, application controller. Inside that I will save this file like testing. Okay, it's not copy view. Testing.php class name and file name should be same. Yeah, testing is created. Now I want to create a view. Okay, this is view. I will use some other views, like we'll create our own view, like we'll just write here HTML. Okay, I will just copy the title from here. Okay, I'll just put here title, and it's inside the header. Okay, that just copies up all the things which I have required right now here, and here all the part of code. Means I will change from my end what exactly I want to do. Okay, here I will just like instead of this I'm just doing like a string custom controller. Okay, just like here also welcome to custom controller, and I'll just replace all mirror. Okay, where it's body, and we don't require this part. We'll just click on this. Okay, this is also not required for us now. Okay, and okay, here I will just write one paragraph like this is just a custom controller. Okay, this is just a custom controller. Okay, just things you have written here, and I have to set this file. Just Control S. See, it's in application view. Inside that I will just write testing, and add HTML file also we have to save as .php, because we have to use a PHP. If you want to use some PHP syntax, that's why we have to save it like this. Okay, and also in codeigniter this only method is used. Okay, and these are the two files. This is a controller. You can see in controller there is a testing.php. This is our controller, and this is our tpl view file. In view folder there is a testing.php. okay, then what exactly you have to do here? Here you can see index function is by default called whenever this controller is called, and this function is called, and here this arrow load view means it will load this view testing.php view, okay, from here. Okay, and okay, then how exactly we have to test in the browser? Okay, you can see this is we have not written any controller name, anything here, because it's a default view. Okay, in our next video or upcoming video I will show you how to set a default view also without using a controller name, also the routing things. Okay, now you have to just write here testing. Just write here control V. Okay, it's not copy maybe. Okay, control V. Okay, it's telling like not found. Why it's still not found? Maybe the question was that index.php. okay, yeah, now you can see welcome to codeigniter custom controller, and this is just a custom controller which we have created here view in this view. Okay, and here we have setting that one. Okay, and here we can see I have written this index.php, and after that I have written a controller name. Means this is required. Okay, index.php is required to run any custom controller. Okay, but if you want to remove this index.php, definitely in this video it cannot be possible. In upcoming next videos definitely I will tell you how to remove this index.php. means we can directly run like this only. I'll just copy this thing. Okay, how to run directly like this. Now it's showing not found, but afterwards when I make that video, and then definitely you get idea how to remove index.php. okay, now it's working. You can see I have created one custom controller with its name as testing, and here I have used. Okay, if I want to set, suppose why I have written that we have written here index.testing.php as a HTML file. Why? Because we can use the HTML PHP also in this file, and also there's a method can say way in going to try to write a can say in the view files also extension with .php. Then what exactly if I want to show the variable value in this, then how I can show? Suppose in this I have taken some variable like title only. Okay, title equal to, okay, I will just write, I will change this is the title, welcome to codeigniter. I will just copy this title, copy. Instead of that this is a welcome to controller. We'll just write by SS tech and creation. Okay, I am writing my channel name. This is a new title which I have to replace there. And what exactly you do, I will just copy this and just write comma and just paste it here. Okay, I'll just save it the file, and here I'll go. Here I will just show directly in here php echo $title symbol. Like this also we can do. Otherwise, if you do not use this, then we can remove this also, like that. This is also way we can print here. Okay, these are two ways, as you wish. Just control S. Okay, I will go here and I have to refresh the browser. Okay, it's showing some error, undefined notice, undefined variable title in testing number. Okay, means it's showing some error here. Okay, because undefined variable, it's telling that title is undefined. Why it's showing title is undefined? Okay. Okay, what exactly you have to do? Okay, I will just tell you that I will pass. Okay, I will pass like an array there. Okay, maybe you have to pass an array. Sorry. Okay, and I will just pass it as a array. Okay, yes, and when I will the page, okay, you can see you have to pass it as an array, and you have to use its key as a variable here. Okay, and now you can see welcome to custom controller by assistation creation. This is just a custom controller. Now you can see how I just show the variable. Okay, and say dynamic data here. Okay, suppose now I have written, you can say default data. Okay, suppose I want to get the data from database, then that time we have to call here module functions. Okay, here you can see controller, this is a module. Here I have to create a new, can say module, that's also extension .php. From there we have to, can say, first of all you have to, here in controller you have to load that module name, and after that we have to call here that function of that module, whatever function for fetching the data, and that data we can load directly. Okay, now it's not possible to show that. Also in next upcoming video I will show you how to fetch data from database in codeigniter and show in a view. Okay, this can be the upcoming video for you. Using to that you can do data, can show the data from, you can say, database to a view. Okay, thank you so much, and thank you for watching my videos. And if you have think that this video is helpful for you, then please like my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click on notification icon to get instant notification of my upcoming codeigniters or any other PHP related or any technological videos. Okay, thank you so much, bye and take care.